What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm sure you saw the title of the video. This is a Delta Boeing 757-200. There's the item number, G2 dial 1263. It opens up like this, and you can read some stuff like this. You know the standard drill. Let's get right to the model. Beautiful looking Delta widget. This one has the windows, the passenger windows look like this. Generally, I like the white style body with the black windows, but this is like a dark blue with a little outline for the windows, a little white outline. It's kind of like the opposite of what I'm used to. Like this is like the regular kind of Delta. This is the Delta 757 widget. Has the red navigation lights here. I think they're called navigation lights. There you can see the widget logo. Nice looking engines. Wow, look at that widget. That's nice. And the L1 door. Pitot tubes, windshield, all that good stuff. There you can see the landing gear. Nice looking bird. 7.5. You can see the end of the wingtip. It's the non winglet version. It's red on this side. See the red light on this side? And you got the landing lights here. Oh wow, what happened? Let's zoom in on the landing gear. See if we can see the headlights. Not really. Camera won't focus. Oh, the landing gear, the nose gear looks a little wonky. See if I can fix it. Not really, made it worse. A little wonky. But, you know. Oh man, the rear landing gear is really wonky. Wow. That looks like whack. I'm gonna see if I can fix that later. That looks whack. What the other side looks like. Looks a little bit better. Remember that movie Airplane? That kind of looks like that. Reminds me of. I like the nose. I like the what do they call it? Radcon? Radcone? Something cone? Alright, let's turn it sideways, get a look at this side. Nice looking engines. That landing gear is wonky. Oh wow. Don't look too close at that. Pitot tubes on that side. Nice looking antenna. Here you can see the registration number. Oh, look, to the left of the door it says 757. Probably says Boeing. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, wow. It gets blurry. No, too small. There's a rudder, looks good. The APU exhaust. There's a little detail that I'm not sure what it's called or what its purpose is. hope it's supposed to be there. I hope it's not a defect. Somebody can tell me in the comments. Get a look at the wings. The 7.5-200. Some wonky landing gear. It's a wonky nose gear. That looks perfect now. Just don't touch it too much. So underneath, underbody antennas. I don't know if they're called antennas, but they're there. What's it say there underneath the door? I don't know. I think I'm zoomed in too much. Man, it looks great to me. And I'm not a huge fan of the widget. Some people are crazy about it, but I found a really good deal. I think I got it for like $57 or $63, something really cheap. I couldn't pass it up. Here's the regular, what do you call this, regular livery? Look at the engine compared to the other one. This one's got the blue engines with the cone shape, back part of the engine exhaust. Oh, this one's the same, just a different color. What do you think? Look at the nose of this one. Let's look at the nose of this one. Looks similar? And it should be the same mold probably, right? It's just different design. I just love the 7.5. Let me grab the 7.5-300. Alright, I grabbed the 7.5-300. Here's the 7.5-200. Here's the 7.5-300. Get this out of the way. This one has the winglets. The wing looks bigger. Or is it an optical illusion? What do y'all think? The wing looks bigger? It's a bigger plane, probably has a bigger wing, right? I love the 7.5-7-300. A flying pencil. It's my favorite plane. Smash that thumbs up button for me, subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff, guys. I need to buy some more of these. I need to like my videos and watch all the ads for me so I can buy some more. I need the Delta 747, the Delta 767. I need all those. I'm gonna get a display case eventually. Have all the Delta. I'm gonna have two display cases, one for Delta and one for United. I love the plain style. I'm not so much a fan of this widget livery, but you know, good to have one. Which one y'all like better? All right. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottom of this plane. It looks a little bit different. It's because it's a little bit shiny. And of course this is magnet. It comes with the covers too. Man, look at that detail. That's amazing. Man, I'd love to know all those dots are for. Anybody tell me what those dashes are for? I mean, I have no idea. It looks like barcode or something. And what is that for? Well, Gemini Jet's logo. I don't really need that, but... Wow, that gear is so wonky, huh? Which one do y'all prefer? The regular livery or the widget livery? Alright, smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff. I got some more videos coming. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.